40 seconds right now.
Eric.
Brian! 20 seconds.
When he landed, don't land on him. This is what he did.
No, come on, you have like 10 seconds.
Honk if you're a skater. This is gonna suck.
Do it, Brian, come on.
Honk if you're a skater.
Yeah!
That felt so wrong. I'm never.
Brian, that was intense.
That's so.
Honk if you're a skater.
My head is like